Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are laying out the complete career roadmap for one of the most exciting and, frankly, fastest growing fields out there, programmatic advertising. You know, if you've ever wondered how marketing, data, and technology all smash together to power the ads you see every single day, then you're in the right place. We're going to map out the entire journey from your very first step all the way to becoming an industry leader.
So let's just start with this question, right? How do you build a career in a field that literally operates in milliseconds? I mean, think about that. In the time it takes for a web page to even load on your screen, a super high-speed, real-time auction has already happened to decide which ad you're about to see. That's programmatic in a nutshell. So, building a career here, it isn't just about being smart. It's about being fast, really fast.
But here's the thing you've got to remember. It's not just about automation. The machines don't run themselves. That's where you come in. You are the architect. You're the one designing the blueprint, choosing the right materials, and basically overseeing the construction of every single campaign to make sure it hits its target. You are the strategist, not just a button pusher.
All right, so where do you even begin? Let's dive into phase one, building your foundation. This is all about the how. This is your entry point. We're talking about the absolute essential skills and the first moves you need to make to get your foot in the door.
Now notice what's not on this list. A specific college degree. Yeah, a background in marketing or data definitely helps, but these 5 skills, these are the real keys to the kingdom. You need analytical chops to be a data detective, right? To figure out what the numbers are telling you. You need some technical aptitude to get around these complex platforms. And of course, you need marketing fundamentals to understand the why behind it all. But just as important, problem solving, because things will go wrong, and communication, so you can explain complex stuff in a simple way.
Okay, so you want to get hired. Here's your 3-step game plan. It's pretty straightforward. First, learn the basics. A lot of platforms like Google Skills Shop offer free courses. Take them. Second, get certified. Seriously, a certification in a major platform like DV360, it's like a license. It proves to employers you actually know how to drive the car. And finally, get some real-world experience. Look for those internships or entry-level coordinator roles to put all that knowledge into practice.
Okay, so you did it. You landed your first role. Congratulations. Now we enter phase 2, the specialist path. This is where you go from just knowing the theory to actually doing the work, day in and day out. This is where you really start to hone your craft and become a true expert. As a specialist, you're probably going to find yourself in one of 3 places. At an ad agency, it's going to be broad and super fast-paced. You'll work with a ton of different clients. Or you could be on an in-house team where you go really deep and strategic, focusing on the long-term goals for just one single brand. And then there's the ad tech company, where your focus is way more technical, supporting the actual platform itself. Each path sharpens a totally different set of skills.
So what does a day in the life actually look like? Well, it's all about hands-on execution. You're living inside these ad platforms, launching campaigns, pulling reports, and digging through mountains of data to find those little nuggets of gold that will help you optimize. You're constantly troubleshooting, constantly refining. And honestly, this daily grind is what forges you into a real expert.
So after a few years in the trenches, you're going to be ready for phase 3, advancing to leadership. This is such a critical turning point. It's when your focus starts to shift from the how, the day-to-day tasks, to the why of high-level business strategy.
And this timeline really paints the picture of a typical journey. You start out as that hands-on specialist. After a few years, you could be managing a small team. From there, you climb to a director role, overseeing a whole department. And eventually, you could find yourself in an executive position, setting the vision for the entire media practice of a company.
But hey, the management track isn't the only option, and that's important to know. Your deep expertise opens up some other really valuable doors. Maybe you love the technical plumbing of it all. You could become an ad ops manager. Or if you're a data wizard, you could become a data scientist. Or maybe you want to help build the tools themselves. Then you could become a product manager at an ad tech company.
So what is it that separates a good programmatic pro from a truly great one? Let's talk about the keys to long-term success. This is really about the mindset and the skills that are going to keep you growing and thriving throughout your entire career.
This right here, this is probably the single most important shift you need to make to get promoted. When you start out, your focus is all on how do I do this task? But to really advance, you have to start asking, why are we doing this in the first place? What's the business objective here? Shifting your mindset from tactics to strategy, that is the absolute key to unlocking those leadership roles.
Look, this industry changes at lightning speed, so your learning can never, ever stop. That means developing hard skills like getting really good with data tools like SQL and staying way ahead of complex topics like data privacy. But it also means developing those soft skills, understanding the entire marketing ecosystem, mentoring junior folks on your team, and actively building your professional network. You absolutely need both to grow long-term.
So, when you boil it all down, it really comes to this. Ask yourself, are you analytical by nature? Do you genuinely love digging into data to find the story hidden in the numbers? And are you actually excited by how technology is completely reshaping the world of marketing? If you're nodding your head right now, then this is a career path you should seriously explore.
And I'll leave you with this question to think about. The future of advertising is automated. That's a fact. It's here to stay. But the future doesn't belong to the people who just push the buttons. It belongs to the architects, the people who can design the strategy behind the technology. The opportunity is absolutely massive. So the only real question is, are you ready to start building?